So today we're going to be taking a closer look at this copper infused back brace by Solo Ever that the company sent to me. You can see it comes in a nice little box here. When you actually get this thing opened up here, it has a nice little bag inside of it. And then you can see this does come with lifetime warranty, which is really cool. But we're going to be testing this thing, letting you know exactly how I feel about it. When you bring this out, really nice packaging. It's really easy to measure the size that you want. What you want to do is just grab like a little piece of tape, little tape measure right here, and then you can just measure around your waist. And then on the listing, it has the waist size here. So for reference, I'm a 34 waist. And I got the medium, and I'll give you an idea of how this thing fits on, and we can give it a test. But taking a closer look here, you can see this is a nice looking brace. Like, it's really going to help protect your back for whatever you're trying to do. So I like to have sometimes when I'm just sitting in a chair, because I sit in a chair a lot, and then also for lifting. Let's get this thing on and then show you what it looks like. Okay, and one thing that I want to call out is just how easy and tight you can get this thing put on really easily. So you can just take it and you put this way. This part goes on your back, and there's kind of like a two-step system here to really get it tight and where you want it to be. So first you Velcro this part right here, and you can see that kind of attaches there. And then you can grab these straps right here, and what these straps do is they tighten it up on that side. So you can really get it customized to where you want it to be by holding this, and it kind of puts it right there, and then these Velcro anywhere where you want it to be, and it gives you a nice kind of stable back. So if you're doing like squats or anything, you can really come down and it feels really good. So when I'm sitting down in my chair, it really helps with my posture to make sure I'm not like slouching or anything like that. Let's actually go through and lift something though and see how it feels. Okay, so I'm just gonna try a squat with this, see how it kind of feels on my lower back when I'm coming down with like a little bit of weight on it, and it feels really secure. And what I like is if you get into the movement and you feel like, hey, maybe I want a little bit more support or I want a little bit less support, all you need to do is grab these straps and you can loosen them or tighten them as you need. And here's just a final look on what it actually looks like when it's on, full kind of 360 for you, as you mentioned. And I think the size fits really true. This thing fits really well. Here's what the inside looks like in case you're wondering. And this part right here, it's kind of hard to tell, but it's kind of like a breathable material. There's actually like little holes right there, so it's not gonna get too sweaty or anything like that. And then this part right here is like solid, which is really nice, which is what you want for that support. So hopefully you find that helpful if you're looking at getting a brace like this.